Chhatrapati Shivaji Airport, Attis Information Delta, time 0608 Zulu, wind 03005, visibility 2, temperature 36, dew point 15, QNH 1008, remarks, no pattern work, file flight plan prior to contacting ATC, use of departure and arrival procedures recommended, landing runway 27, expect ILS approach, departing runway 27, Newtons, low visibility, use caution, advise on initial contact, you have information Delta. Runway 27, Newtons, low visibility, use caution, advise on initial contact, you have information Delta. Air India 4649 Heavy, taxi to parking, at your discretion. Air India 4649 Heavy, please expedite.
Chhatrapati Shivaji Ground, Seabird 198 Bravo Alpha, ready for pushback with information Delta, requesting runway 27.
Speedbird 198 Bravo Alpha, pushback approved, tail to the east.
Pushback approved, tail to the east, Seabird 198 Bravo Alpha.
Chhatrapati Shivaji Ground, Air Canada 729 Super, ready to taxi to runway 27 with information Delta.
Air India 4649 Heavy, request permission to cross runway 14.
Air India 4649 Heavy, cross runway 32.
Crossing runway 32, Air India 4649 Heavy.
Air Canada 729 Super, taxi to runway 27, contact tower when ready. Taxiing to runway 27, Air Canada 729 Super. Chhatrapati Shivaji Ground, Air India 2017 Heavy, ready for pushback with information Delta, requesting runway 27. Air India 2017 Heavy, pushback approved, tail to the north. Pushback approved, tail to the north, Air India 2017 Heavy. Chhatrapati Shivaji Ground, Golf Echo November Tango Alpha, ready for pushback with information Delta, requesting runway 27. Golf Echo November Tango Alpha, pushback approved, tail to the north. Pushback approved, tail to the north, Golf Echo November Tango Alpha.
Chhatrapati Shivaji Ground. Speedbird 198 Bravo Alpha. Ready to taxi to runway 27 with information Delta.
Chhatrapati Shivaji Ground.
Speedbird 198 Bravo Alpha, taxi to runway 27, contact tower when ready.
Taxiing to runway 27, Speedbird 198 Bravo Alpha.
Taxi to parking, Air India 4649 Heavy.
Echo November Tango Alpha.
Chhatrapati Shivaji Ground, Sri Lankan 789 Sierra Lima Heavy, ready to push back with information Delta.
Dynasty 301, taxi to runway 27, contact tower when ready.
Tax.
Speedbird 198 Bravo Alpha, request frequency change.
09 Heavy, ready for pushback with information Delta.
Two-seven. Land Chile.
Chhatrapati Shivaji Ground.
98 Bravo Alpha, ready for departure in sequence at runway 27, departing north.
1. Line up and wait runway 27. Line up and wait runway 27, Dynasty 301. Runway 27, Lufthansa 450 Theta. Speedbird 198 Bravo Alpha, line up and wait runway 27.
Line up and wait runway 27, Speedbird 17.
Air India 2017 Heavy, continue.
Entered runway 27.
Continuing ahead, Air India 2017 Heavy.
Thai 433 Heavy, exit runway when able, contact ground on the taxiway.
Wilco, Thai 433 Heavy. Chhatrapati Shivaji Tower, Air India 2017 Heavy, ready for departure at runway 27, departing straight out.
Speedbird 198 Bravo Alpha, wind 260 at 14, runway 27, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 27, Speedbird 198 Bravo Alpha.
Thai 433 Heavy, request frequency change.
Speedbird 198 Bravo Alpha, contact Mumbai radar on 125.35.
Contacting Mumbai radar on 125.35, Speedbird 198 Bravo Alpha.
Reduce speed to 240 knots, Agal 1907.
Push 154 Lima X-ray Heavy, turn right heading 180. Agar 1907, descending in June 6000.
Turn right heading 180, Swift 154 Lima X-ray heavy.
Sierra Tango Sierra Echo November, descend and maintain 7000.
Descend and maintain 6000, Azal 1907.
Descend and maintain 7000, Sierra Tango Sierra Echo November. Qantas 178, turn right heading 360, descend and maintain 8000.
Turn right heading 360, descend and maintain 8000, Qantas 178.
Azal 1907, reduce speed to 220 knots.
Reduce speed to 220 knots, Azal 1907.
Sierra Tango Sierra Echo November, reduce speed to 220 knots. Reduce speed to 220 knots, Sierra Tango Sierra Echo November. Flight 2301, frequency change approved, good day. Swiss 154 Lima X-ray heavy, turn right heading 240, descend and maintain 3000, maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 27 approach.
Turn right heading 240, descend and maintain 3000, maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 27, Swiss 154 Lima X-ray heavy.
Frequency phase approved, finish 301, good day. United 1 heavy, execute missed approach, turn right heading 320, climb and maintain 5000. Air India 260 India November, turn right heading 180, descend and maintain 4000. Executing missed approach, turn right heading 320, climb and maintain 5000, United 1 heavy. Azal 1907, descend and maintain 5000. Sierra Tango Sierra Echo November, descend and maintain 6000. Qantas 178, descend and maintain 6000. Speedbird 052 India Golf Heavy, continuous filed, expect the ILS approach runway 27 at Chhatrapati Shivaji.
Descend and maintain 6000, Qantas 178.
Roger, Speedbird 052 India Golf approach. Turn left heading.
Frequency change approved, Speedbird 198 Bravo Alpha, good day.